We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for this correction. We mentioned we want to see whether we can look for buy or not. And right now we're looking for this. Still, we can expect the price to go as one more drop than any reversal. We can look for buy. Okay, first of all, we move to higher time frame. And if we refer to daily chart, we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here. Anyway, we want to see whether we can get the correction for continuation. All right, this is what we have been discussing. And if I move to forward chart, and if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned two ways we can look for this correction. Either this is only internal correction, and this is the first, second, and the last wave, and this is the start of the up move. And we mentioned we don't have the ABC because we don't have the divergence. That's why we can put this one in relative to this for internal correction as a 5 wave structure for one more drop before we get the reversal. All right, that's why we have been looking for this. Either the price can drop from here or we get one move up before the price drop. Okay, this is what we need to know. It doesn't mean we are looking for the down move. We need to know if we get any trade setup for buy, we see is not moving, we should be aware of this. At least we know how to manage it. And right now we're looking at this. We want to see if we can get any buy setup. We're looking at this correction in relative to this. That's why if we move to lower time frame, we can expect the price drop one more, then any reversal. This is what we are more interested to look for buy. Okay, in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Okay, based on 1 hour chart, the best things we are looking for, we want to see whether we can put these two in relative to each other as an internal running flat. That's why the best things is if we get one more drop with the breakout of this low, then any reversal from there we look for buy. With the breakout of the top, we start to manage because we can look for this correction. That's why the first things is we can look for sell. If we want to look for sell, the only option is to have entry below this from what we have right now. Unless this one turn to deeper correction, then we can look for flag. Okay, whether the traders they won't look for sell or not, it depends on them. But any sell from here we can look for, consider as a short term. Then any reversal after the price drop as a short move flag, we can take the trade, or if the price drop with the breakout of this, we can have entry above this. This is the best option if we get. But how about if the price reverse from here? Either we get a sharp move with the flag, or we can have entry above this top or here. It depends on the traders. Okay, but for me, if I want us to look for trade, we still I believe we can get one more draw, and this is the best we're looking for. All right, anyway, we're looking for this correction. Any trade setup from here we will take the for buy, and in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.